Hello everyone, we have to discuss about that. PYQ कर रहे हैं हम 2011 से 2023 के 23 का पेपर देख लेते हैं। प्रीलिम्स का कैसा था तो डिस्कस करेंगे थियोरली। कहाँ से क्वेश्चन क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 in which of the following reasons and the Dhanyakartas and which and the flourished as the prominent and Buddhism centers under the Mahasangitas। पहले हम इसके एक्सप्लेनेशंस देख लेते हैं, सभी थ्योरली डिस्कस करेंगे। आफ्टर दैट फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल हम इसका सारा एक्सप्लेनेशंस रिमाइंडेड कर लेते हैं। तो एक्सप्लेनेशंस में पहले तो अमरावती से फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन आया था। एंड अमरावती इन आंध्र प्रदेश होल्ड द हिस्टोरिकल सिग्निफिकेंट इज द साइड ऑफ द अनसाइंड एंड द धन्या एंड कटाकास आर द प्रोमिनेंट टाउन इन द दक्कन रीजन्स एंड द capitals of the latter and Satvahana as recorded in the numerous inscriptions, and these areas also the house are the significant Buddhism settlement according to the sculptures and the Dhanya Kataka, and is the place and where the Buddhas and first revivals and the Katak chakras and Kala chakras is the Buddhism and the Tantric and practices. Statement first is not the correct. The practices of the preservings and the remains of the important personalities below the occupied and earth was long in existence. Buddhism and arts adopted the practices and the sculptures built over the such other side and was known as the stupas, and hence the concept of stupas and was not Buddhism in regions. Statement second, according to the Buddhism sources, the remains of the Buddha's body were divided into 8 parts and places under the stupas, and were thus during the times of Ashokas and were dug out and redistributed, and which and led into the constructions of the others and the stupas and the sacred places of Buddhism. Statement third, and the stupas serves and both the bodies and the commemoratives and functions, and after the constructed as act of the reverences and offering to the Buddhas or other the enlightened and the figures additionally, and they are built and to honor the important event, individuals or historical locations. Korkai and the Korkai situations in the Thoothukudi and districts of Tamil Nadu and emerged as a significant port and city during the ancient time, and the notably flourishing and during the eras of Tamil and the Sangmas literature. It is served as the primary and port and for and the Pandyas kingdoms, and during this period Pum and Puhar and the alternatively and known as the Kaveri Pattinams, and it is stand out as the ancient port cities and with the vibrant and the maritime and trading legacy. Positions on the banks of Kaveri river in the Nagapattinams and districts of Tamil Nadu. It is serves as the primary port and for and estimate and the Chola kingdoms. Muchiri and the Muchiri alternatively and the referred and to as the Mujiris and the stood as and the unsigned port city situated in what is known and the Kerala and close to the town of the Kodun Gullars, and it is held and the substantialism imported as the tradition tradings and hubs within the Indian Ocean trade network thought out the unsigned and the medieval eras and Tondi and the Muchiris and emerge as and the pivotals and ports and within the realism of the Cheras kingdoms. Hence, all the three and sites and mentioned and were well and known as the port in unsigned South India. Batakki rutals and noun and also nouns and known as the Bada Kiruthals and or and the Bada Kiruthals was the particularly and prevalent and during the Sangamas period and Tamil kings and in other wide and to afford there the honors and prestige were the willings to face deed by the fasting and the practice known as the Vatakirutham. एंड D5 वाला होयसला डायनेस्टी का भी आया था इसमें क्वेश्चन, तो होयसला डायनेस्टी देख लेते हैं. होयसला ओरिजिनेटेड एंड फ्रॉम द इंडियंस एंड द सब कॉन्टिनेंट द होयसला एम्पायर्स सब कॉन्टिनेंट में होयसला एंड हेल्ड एंड अवे एंड ओवर्स आर द सिग्निफिकेंट पोर्शंस ऑफ प्रेसिडेंट्स एंड डे एंड द कर्नाटकाज एंड फ्रॉम द 10th to the 14th century while the Hoysala initially established there the capitals and aid the Bellurs and it was the latter and relocated into the Halebidu. Gahadevalas and the dynasty and following the dissolutions of the Pratiharas and empires. Several Rajput states emerged in the northern Indias and among thus and the Gahadevalas and of and the Kannauj and 12th to 13th century and the Paramaras and of and the Malwas and the Chauhans of Ajmer were the most prominent and the Kaktiyas and dynasty. The Kaktiya dynasty and ruled and the regions and comprising present day and Telangana and Andhra Pradesh and during the 12th to 14th century and their capital was the Warangals in Telangana. The district style of the Kaktiyas and eras the architectural is seen in the thousands pillars and temples and the Ramappa temples near the Warangals. यादवा डायनेस्टी के बारे में भी क्वेश्चन आया था. यादवा डायनेस्टी रूल्ड इन द 12th to 14th century and comprises the Hindu and kingdoms of central India in what is known and the Indian state of the Maharashtra and originated other few regions of the eastern and Chalukyas of Kalyani. The dynasty becomes paramount in the Deccan under the Bhilama and c. 1187 and 91 and who founded Devagiri letters and the Dolatabad and as is then the capitals and hence known of the above dynasty established and there the kingdom in the early 18th century AD. Page 1 is not correct and the Vishakha Dattas and was the great and the Sanskrit poet and the playwriters of the Gupta ages and the Vishakha Dattas and was the author of the Mudra and Rakshas and Devi and the Chandra Guptam and the focus of the Devi and the Chandra Guptamas and revolve around an event and that occurs during the rule of kings and the Ram Guptas and of the Gupta dynasty. Pair second is correct. Naya and the Chandra Shuryan was other Swetambara and Jain monks. He lived in the 15th century and is known as the author of the historical large poems and the Himara Mahakavyas. Pair third is not correct and the Milind and Panha is other Buddhism and text and within by the Naga Shenas and it is evolved in the conversations and discussing various the philosophical matters and between the king and the Milindas and the monk and Naga Shenas. Pair 4 is correct and the Soma Devas Suris, the Jain monk from the South India in the 10th century and C authorized the Nili Vakayaramtam and known as the Nectars of the science of polity and which is the treatise on the statecraft. The core principle of the Jainism के बारे में the core principle of the Jainism revolve around the non and violence and with no the others religious and placings as great and the emphasis and on this the value and Jains hold the belief and that souls inhabits and plants animals and even the certain non-living and entitled and such as airs and water similar to humans and the doctrine of non-violence encompasses and refraining from the causing harms to humans and plants animals and the natural world. Pairs 1 is not correctly matched and as the best nuggets is not noun and for being other Sevit kept shrines rather is noun and for the Guruda and pillars dedicated to Lord and the Vasudevas and by the holy Doris and who come as an and the Inoue and of and the Indo-Greeks rulers and the Antya Kedas and in the code of the Bhadra's. Holy Doros follow the Vaishnavas and sects and pair second is correctly matched. As Buddhism caves are in the abundance in the Western Ghat and Kaaba. And Bhaja caves also reference रहती हैं to as the Bhaje and caves and comprises the collections of the 22 rock cut caves and constructed around the second and century BC and situated in the Pune districts and near the Lonawalas and Maharashtra and thus caves hold and the historicals and significant and thus caves belongings to the Hinayanas and Buddhism and pair is made either Sita Naval Sons is other small villages in the Pudukottai and districts of Tamil Nadu. It is was other major centers of Jain influences for 1000 years and just before the Christian era. Infrastructures in question number 9 का दीवाला सही था. Infrastructure investment trust and InvITs are infrastructure development sponsored and trust that own and the operate and the invest in complete and the under the constructions and infrastructure projects and thus infrastructure asset includes road and the highways and power the distributions and networks and telecoms towers fibers and optics network etc. Statement first is not correct and any the dividend or interest income and that you get and from and the InvITs is the completely taxation as per yours the income and tax slab rate. This income has to be the declared and every years and in the years and income tax and written under the head income and from the other sources and so if you are in the highest income tax and bracket and you may have to pay and 30% tax on any other dividend or the interested and they you receive from and the InvITs. Capital gains and taxation rules are the applicables and only if you sell yours the invites and unit and if you have stay interested in InvITs and for up to the 3 years and priority years to the sell. Short term capitals gain and STCG and taxation rules are applicable. Statement second is correct. Invite and the rights and now the recognition as borrowers under the securitizations and the reconstructions of financial assets and enforcement of security interest SAR and the FACI Act and lenders to thus and the trust and have the adequate and the statutory and enforcement options and absence of which was earlier becoming the constraint for the bankers to lend and directly aid the trust labor and insurance the regulatory and the development authority of India IRDAI has the recently allowed the insurers to invest in debt and instruments of InvITs and REITs rate and AA and above and is other part of their the approved investment which is slow so and growing the comfort of lenders and as well as the investors and around such the structure and hence statement first is correct and but statement second is correct. 10 Statement first is correct, and in the post and pandemic recent past and financial condition have the tightened and as the central banks and continues to hike and the interest rate amid the highly and uncertainly globals and the environment risk to the financial stabilities have interest and the substantially. And statement second is correct, and central and bank use the monetary policy to manage the economic fluctuations and achieve price and the stabilities, and may it be and the inflation or the deflation. Central bank and conduct the monetary policy by the adjusting the supply of money, usually and through buying or the selling and securities in the open market. Open market operation affect short terms and interest rate, and which in the terms influences long terms rate and the economic activities. When the central bank and lower interest rates and monetary policy is and the easings, and when they raise interest rate and monetary policy is the tightenings. Hence both statement first and statement second are correct, and statement second is the correct, and the explanation for statement first. Sterilizations is other forms of monetary and actions in which other central bank seeks to the limit and the effect of the inflows and the outflows of capitals on the money supply, and the sterilizations and most the frequently involved the purchases or sale of the financial asset by other central banks, and which is known as the open market operations, and is the designs to offset the effect of the foreign exchange interventions. The sterilizations process is used to do the manipulates the value of one and the domestic currencies and relative to another's, and is initiated and in the foreign exchange market. It is used and by the central bank in order to the stem and the negative effect and emerging from the capital's inflow or outflows and from other country economic. And for example, a US and the investors looking to the invest in India must use the dollars and to purchases the rupees, and if other lots of US investors and start the buying and US rupees and the rupees and the exchanges and rate and will the increase. At this the point the Indian and the central banks can easier and late the fluctuations and continues, and which can the drive and up the price of the Indian exports, or it can buy the foreign currencies with it reserve in the orders to the derived and down and the exchange rate. And the financials market refer the broadly and to any and the marketplace where the securities trading occurs, including the stocks and markets, bond market and forex markets and the derivations market. And it is the classifications into the capital market, money market, capital market are the financial market, and where the long term securities such as the stock, bonds and other the financing instrument are bought and are the and sold. Thus market facilitated and the transfer of capitals and from the investment to those and who need to it and to find project and expand their the business or make other the investment. And this the market includes government bond market, stock market. Money market. The money market is other short terms and lending system. Borrowers and tap it and for and the case and they need to operate from day to day, and lender use it to and the put spares and case to the work. And examples of money markets instruments and the includes and certificates and of the deposit, GDS and commercials papers and treasury bills and T-bills, and bankers acceptance. And about the small farmers large in field and collective and actions models. Small farmers large field and self has overcome the disadvantages and faces by the millions of small and marginal farmers, and due to the economics and of skills and lack of the bargaining and power in the supply chain. This model is the participatory and the flexible and allow small farmer to benefit and from the achieving economics of scales, and by the organizing themselves into the groups and the synchronizing and the harmonizing selects the options. The basis of model and are that the small and landholders and marginal farmers and joint and the decide and to grow the crop of one or two varieties and the synchronize and all the agriculture's operations and seed to seed as other group and community and gain higher bargaining powers and while dealings with the service providers, dealers and paddy traders and millers. The overall fundings and from the project and are the reduced cost of the productions of paddy increase and gain the field and comparatively higher prices over the privileges market price and enhance the farmer grows income and net profit. The standard criteria to develop the self on other multi and the stockholder partners are and the horizontal coordinations of small rise and farmers. The small holders are the recognitions and the integrated in groups and to increase theirs the power and vertical coordinations of farmers and with the inputs and delivers to one end outputs market at the other end. About Niger seeds is other cultivated in India as other kharif crops and is one of the 22 and mandates crops and for which the government of India announced a minimum support price and MSP according to the 2013 record by All India Coordinated Research Project AICRP. Niger seeds has the traditionally been the lifeline of the tribal agriculture and economic in several states across India. The tribal population uses Niger seeds oil for cooking. The press cake post oil extractions is the livestock feed and also the consume the feed as other condiment. Some features of the Niger seeds are Niger seeds oil has the medicals and properties and which is the reasons and for its the commercials demands and why the cosmetics and perfumeries and others the alliance industries and basics the crops and can grow on the denuded and soils and it is the cultivations method is fairly basic and after the first and rain and when the soils is the most farmers and need to the plug and the feeds and the sprinkles the seed and the crop Niger and required and much the waters not the fertilizers and pesticides. About the minimum support price and it is the lowest rate at which and the government and procurement and agencies buy the crops and from the farmer it is seed farmers and from the market fluctuations and offering the stability and income security. It is determined by the commissions for the agricultural and cost and price and CACP considering factors like the productions cost market rates and the demand supply dynamics and after the CACP and submits and its the recommendations and the cabinets and committees on economic affairs CCEA chaired by the Prime Minister of India and make the finals and decisions of MSP labels. CACP is established in the 1965. The operates and under the Ministry of the Agriculture and the Farmer Welfare. An asset is a resource with economic value and that other individuals, corporate or the country and own and on the controls and there are two types of the assets categories and tangibles and the intangibles. Tangible asset, tangibles and intangible. Tangibles asset are the physically and the measurable assets and that are the used in other company operation. Tangible assets and from the backbone of the company and business by the providing the means by which companies and the produced and they are the goods and services and thus the includes land, machineries and inventory securities like the stock, bonds and cash. Intangible asset are the non-physicals and assets and used over the long terms and intangible assets are often and intellectual assets and as the resultant it is difficult to design other value and to them because of the untouchabilities and of the futures benefits and thus the includes patients, brand and intellectuals and the properties rights and mailings list of silence. Question number 16. As per the WTO and the data and India shares and in the globals and the export and for the merchandise and was and 1.7% and in the globals imports and was the 2.6% and which is much and less than 3.2% and for the year 2018 and for service sectors and India shares in global export was the 3.5% and imports and was 3.2%. Production link and the incentives or the PLIN scheme is other schemes and that aims to the give and the companies incentives or on and the incrementals and sales over the FY 2019-20 from the product and manufacturers and domestic units. The scheme invites and foreign companies and to set up and the units in India and however it also and aims to the encourages and local companies to set up or the expanded exciting manufacturing units and also to the generate and more the employment and cut down the countries and reliance on import from other countries. The classification of the micro, small and medium enterprises is defined under the MSMED Act 2006. Amendment dates 1/6/2020 and the micro, small and the medium enterprises is based on the investment in the plants, machineries or equipment values and excluding land or the budgetings and the annual turnovers. Micro enterprises where the investment in the plants and machineries and or equipment and does not the exceed and 1 crore rupees and the turnovers does not the exceed and 5 crores rupees. Small enterprises and where the investment in the plant and machineries or equipment and does not the exceed and 10 crores and rupees and turnovers and does not the exceed and 50 crores rupees and medium enterprises where the investment in plants and machinery or equipment and does not the exceed and 50 crores and rupees and turnovers and does not exceed and 250 crores rupees and hence the statement first is correct. Classification of enterprises principles trade in the first schedules and IDRs Act 1951. Revised MMSE classification as per the MSME Act 2006. Composite criteria: investment in plant and machineries, equipment and annual turnover. Classification: मैन्युफैक्चर एंटरप्राइजेज एंड सर्विस एंटरप्राइजेज. इसमें माइक्रो एंटरप्राइजेज क्या है? इन्वेस्टमेंट इन प्लांट एंड द मशीनरीज और द इक्विपमेंट्स एंड नॉट मोर देन 1 crore एंड टू टर्नओवर्स नॉट मोर देन 5 crore. And investment small enterprise investment in plant and the machineries or equipment not more than 10 crores and turnover not more than 50 crore. Medium enterprises investment in plant and the machineries or equipment and not more than 50 crores and turnover to 50 crores. Statement second is correct. The RBI works and which and the banks to encourage and them to the lend money and to prioritize economic sectors and including the agricultures and related industry, educations, affordable housings and food and for less and for the fortunes. All banks and loans to MSME and that meets the requirement and outline theirs are the eligibles and to the categorized as priority sectors lendings. Reserve Bank of India RBI has taken the sum and the measures and for the improving laws of credit and to MSME sectors are as under priority sectors lending and guidelines in terms of the master directions on the priority sectors lending and PSL. Target and classification dated and the September 4, 2020. All banks and loans to MSME and comprising to the conditions prescribed therein qualities and for the classification under the priority sectors lending. Collateral and requirements of MSME and units the schedules and commercial banks and have been the mandated not to the aspect and the collaterals security in the case of loan and up to the 10 lakhs and extended to units in the MSC sectors. Trade receivable and discounting systems and trades. The scheme facilitated the financing TREDS. The schemes and facilitated the financing of trade receivables of MSME and from the corporate and other the buyer and including government department and public sectors undertaking PSUs and through the multiples and financiers electrically. Thank you, as this session will be closed.